Get the most bang for your buck when doing updates to your home. Hi, I'm Amy Alwell with Keller Realty. There is nothing more cost-effective in home sales than painting. According to the 2019 Cost versus Value report, a good-looking garage door tops the list while a new front door is second running, bringing in 85 to 100% return. A slightly more expensive project would be replacing the siding on your home or adding a wood deck, delivering around 70 to 80% ROI. A minor kitchen remodel will bring 70 to 80% return, while a major kitchen renovation is closer to 65%. Anytime you're replacing windows, roof, or anything mechanical will always bring value and will help you sell your home quicker. Have questions? Comment below. Once again, I'm Amy Alwell with Keller Realty. Thanks for watching.